Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yusri. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new video like this. And if you are already on this channel before, you know how we do it. Kindly hit the thumbs up button, like this video, and drop a comment. If you have anything disturbing you or you want to ask, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below. I will answer any question. With that being said, let's get started. So today we'll be talking about how to make money online typing, and that as a transcriber. So the site we'll be using today is gotranscribe.com. There are many sites you can become a transcriber, but few are accepting Nigerians, how to do that. Yes, so with that being said, let's get started. All you have to do is go to your website called gotranscribe.com. So when you are on the website, all you have to do is to scroll down. You scroll down to the bottom, then you see where they write join us as a transcriber, or you come downward, you see for transcriptionist here. So there are 4 ways in which you can make money on this website. That's as a transcriber, in which they write work, and as an affiliate, bringing people who want to transcribe their work to the website. You can make your money if you know about affiliate marketing. Then transcription editor, by editing already transcribed work by other transcriber, you can make money as well, and you can be editing caption. But the one we'll be focusing on today is work, which is working as a transcriber. So all you have to do is click on work, then it take us to our transcription page where we'll register as a transcriber. So you scroll down. As you can see here, you can be making up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. That's per minute, and you can know how many minutes you can work at. So average earning per month is $150, as you can see, and top monthly earning is 1,215. That's the top monthly earning. You can earn more than that or below. So all you have to do now is click on apply now, then choose the language you want to work with. If you understand Dutch, German, Japanese, Korean, Russian, but I know English is the common language, so I choose English now. Then will take me to sign up page. So all you have to do is input your email and password, then click on sign up. I already have an account, so let us log in into my account. So now that we are inside my account, so you can see transcription jobs available worldwide. Join Go Transcript and be part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. So now we come to apply now, then click on English.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Go.
So this is a transcription test you will take before you can become a transcriber on Go Transcript. So as you can see, to become a transcriber, you must do our test job using our guidelines. You need to transcribe the audio below. In other words, you need to type everything that you hear. Also, don't forget to use our transcription rules. The test jobs need to be done in clean verbatim without time stamping. If you want, you can try doing the old test. There you will see what error you have made. So before you can take this test, you need to check the guidelines, because it has a lot of explanation you need to know before you can transcribe on this website, because there are some laid down rules you need to follow before you can become a transcriber on this website. So if you check the guideline and understand the guideline, then you can try taking some old test to perfect yourself. So if you're taking the old test and you think you're perfect enough, then you can come here to take the test. I think I've failed the test 2 or 3 times, so I'm thinking of passing the 4th time, so I'll try again. So after you've finished the test, you listen to the audio, then type it here. So after you have finished the test, then you click on send it for review. It usually take, I think, 3 or 2 days for it to be reviewed. So after your test has been reviewed, then you have become a transcriber on Go Transcript. So that's how it is done. Then you begin making your money on Go Transcript as a transcriber. There are many other websites, but I think Go Transcript has the best explanation, and let me say, so that's that. So please, if you get any value with this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And if you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section down below. I'll answer any question. Thanks for watching.